Welcome to MySci Unit 2 Playground Cooldown. This is a kindergarten Earth and Space Science and Engineering unit. Students will explore how understanding sun and shade can be used to cool a hot playground. Let's take a look into the unit at a glance. This unit covers several kindergarten Earth and Space Science standards about sunlight and the Earth's surface, weather patterns over time, weather forecasting, and several engineering standards about designing a solution. 7 of the standards are covered in all dimensions, and 1 is partially addressed. Each of the next generation science standards correspond to a Missouri Learning Standard listed in parentheses on this chart. If you'd like, take a moment to pause the video and review them. This unit is divided into 2 sections. Each section has a driving question designed to reflect what we anticipate students would naturally ask through their learning process. After launching with the anchoring phenomenon, Section 1 includes 3 lessons, and Section 2 has 4. Overall, the unit should take 26 to 33 days to complete. The anchoring phenomenon for this unit is the school playground can get very hot. Students will explore sun, shade, temperature, and weather patterns. Throughout the unit, students point back to this phenomenon as they work to design a solution that cools a hot playground. The driving question for Section 1 is, what do we notice about the weather on the playground? Students connect to the anchoring phenomenon by collecting data to analyze weather patterns. Students use observations and forecasting to connect daily patterns to longer-term weather patterns by investigating the 4 seasons. The section concludes as students investigate extreme weather events and how people can prepare for them. Throughout the storyline in Section 1, students gain an understanding of these standards-based big ideas. Weather occurs in patterns, and weather pattern data can be collected and used to track the weather. Seasons change in a pattern that repeats each year. Weather forecasting is important to help us prepare for weather changes and weather events. Certain weather events occur more often in certain seasons or regions. Introducing the anchoring phenomenon and Section 1 combined should take about 13 to 16 days to complete. The driving question for Section 2 is, how do we keep cool on the playground? In this section, students apply their learning of weather patterns and events to focus on solutions to keep cool on the playground. Students will utilize thermometers to investigate temperatures of sunny and shady areas on the playground. They also determine how to create shade. The section concludes as students design their playground cooling solutions. We'd love to hear how your class plans to cool a playground. Through the storyline of Section 2, students gain an understanding of these standards-based big ideas. Temperatures can change. Thermometers can be used to measure the temperature. Temperatures in the sun are hotter than temperatures in the shade. The sun warms the earth, and if the sun is blocked to create shade, the temperature in that area is cooler. To create a shadow, there must be a light source, a light blocker, and a surface for the shadow to appear on. In order to protect against extreme heat, solutions can be designed to create shade. Section 2 should take 13 to 17 days to complete. Our team here at MySci hopes you and your students enjoy Playground Cooldown and engaging in engineering a solution to a problem students may already face. We look forward to your feedback. Happy MySciencing!